Good morning, team. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new uniform. This new design is not just a change in appearance, but a significant step towards enhancing our professionalism and patient comfort.
What are the key features of the new uniform, MIHIRAA?
The new uniform is designed to be both functional and stylish. It's made of breathable, moisture-wicking fabric to keep you comfortable during long shifts. The pockets are strategically placed for easy access to essential items like pens, stethoscopes, and mobile phones.
Will the new uniform be more durable and easier to maintain?
Absolutely. The fabric is durable and stain-resistant, making it easier to clean and maintain. The new design also incorporates antimicrobial properties to reduce the risk of infection.
How does the new uniform contribute to patient safety?
The new uniform is designed to be easily identifiable, which can help patients recognize healthcare professionals. It also promotes a professional image and builds trust with patients and their families.
When will we start wearing the new uniforms, MIHIRAA?
We'll transition to the new uniforms gradually over the next few months. In the meantime, please continue to wear the current uniforms until further notice.
Mihira, I understand that experiencing breathing difficulties can be quite frightening and unsettling, but please know that we are here to support you through this. One of the most helpful steps you can take is to work with a physiotherapist. They are experts in helping people breathe more easily and can design a personalized exercise program specifically for your needs. They will provide gentle stretching guidance to open up your chest and improve your lung capacity, which can make a significant difference in how you feel each day. These exercises are not meant to be strenuous. Instead, they are carefully tailored to ensure you feel safe and supported while you move. Engaging in these movements can help reduce that feeling of tightness and give you more control over your breathing. It is also very important that we keep a close eye on your progress together. If you find that your symptoms continue, or if you start to feel like your breathing is becoming more difficult or worsening in any way, please come back to see us for a follow-up review. We want to ensure that your treatment plan is working effectively for you and make any necessary adjustments to keep you feeling your best. Your well-being is very important to us, and we are committed to helping you breathe easier and stay healthy.